Hello, everyone. Today we will learn the future perfect continuous tense and how to use it in simple ways.
We will show the form, the meaning, time words to use, and common mistakes to avoid.
The future perfect continuous shows how long an action will have been happening up to a certain point in the future.
The form is, will plus have plus been plus verbing? Example, by June, I will have been teaching for 5 years.
Use it when you want to talk about the duration of an activity before a future time.
It helps to emphasize how long something continues, not just that it finishes.
Time words often used are by the time, for, since, and before. Example, by 8 o'clock, she will have been studying for 3 hours.
Compare it with the future perfect. Future perfect says the action will be finished. Future perfect continuous focuses on the activity and its duration up to that future moment.
Compare also with future continuous. Future continuous will be doing. Future perfect continuous will have been doing.
Negatives are simple. Will not have been plus verbing, or won't have been plus verbing. Example, he won't have been working here long by next month.
Questions follow. Will plus subject, plus have, plus been, plus verbing. Example, will you have been studying for 2 hours by dinner?
What questions start with the wake word? Example, how long will she have been living in London by July?
Use this tense for jobs, study, and projects. For example, by December, they will have been building the bridge for 2 years.
Choose the correct verb form. The continuous part always uses the ing form. Been working, been studying, been running.
Watch for common mistakes. Mistake 1. Using past participle instead of ing. Not correct. Will have been finished. Correct. Will have been finishing or use future perfect.
Mistake 2. Mixing tenses without reason. If you mean duration, use future perfect continuous. If you mean completion, use future perfect.
Practice with daily examples. By Friday, I will have been practicing the piano for 6 months. By the time she returns, they will have been preparing the room for hours.
Try short dialogues. A. Will you have been working for 4 hours by lunchtime? B. Yes, I will have been working since 8.
Longer example. By the end of next year, Sarah will have been studying medicine for 7 years. This shows how long her study will last up to that future time.
Another example with travel. By the time the plane lands, we will have been flying for 11 hours.
Use for to show duration. For 3 hours for 5 years. Use since to mark the start point. Since January, since 2019.
Questions for students. Will you have been working on your project for 2 months by the presentation?
To make negatives in spoken English, contractions are common. I won't have been sleeping long.
Remember that some verbs do not use continuous forms naturally, such as verbs of state. Use simple forms for state verbs.
Another tip, future perfect continuous often pairs with by the time to set a clear future point. By the time the show starts, we will have been rehearsing for hours.
Mini quiz. If the project starts in June and lasts 6 months, which sentence fits? By December, we will have been working on the project for 6 months.
Now, practice making questions and negatives. Ask, will they have been driving long by sunset? Answer, no, they won't have been driving long.
Before we finish, remember the simple checklist. Will plus have plus been plus verbing, use for and since for duration, and use by or by the time to name the future point.
We are ending now. Today we learned what the future perfect continuous is, how to form it, and when to use it.
We also learned time words, negatives, questions, common mistakes, and clear examples to help practice and speak with confidence.
Here are 5 quick practice sentences you can say. By next month, I will have been learning English for a year. By tonight, they will have been fixing the car for 3 hours. By Monday, he will have been training every day for 2 weeks.
Keep practicing by changing the time words. Turn a simple plan into a future perfect continuous sentence and focus on the duration. Soon these patterns will become natural when you speak and write.
Try writing your own sentences now and use for and since with clear future points. Practice daily and check your progress with a friend.